borrowing money is not the permanent solution, it is the temporary solution. So try to avoid borrowing. And the RD and AD, as I have said, recurring deposit is how you can do and save this amount of money. And this amount of money, if you put it in the FD, that is the fixed deposit, and you keep it with the bank for, let's say, 2 years, this money is going to be doubled. Plus with interest, it might become 50k if you keep it for 2 years. Let's say in the first year you have saved money of 25k from this 20% that you have saved every month, and keep it for 2 years. In the third year or in the final year, you can save after 50k or even 1 lakh. So just imagine how much impactful is this method. If you follow this step, this step, this step, and this step, you are going to save this amount of money. And the last one is earn. See, earning is not the taste for everyone, right? We are not beggars, right? We are not that much poor. That is the mindset. That depends on the mindset. Earning money is not bad. Even if you are pursuing studies, or you belong to upper middle class or in the middle class, or even if you have a lot of money, but earning is something which is the basic thing of a human, right? Right now you are not earning, you are getting money from your parents. Your parents are providing the money that you need to buy stuffs. But imagine if you earn yourself and buy that stuff, how much happiness you get and how much aura it has. So earning, there are some of the ways how you can earn, which I will say after some time. By being a student in this age group from 21 to 26, how we can earn money. And if you earn in a good way, good manner, without doing anything illegal, and also pursuing your studies, it's not a bad thing. So the last option is, if you learn how to earn in this early age, 21 to 26, no matter what, you might do job in later years, you might do a good job, but let's say for 1% of probability you do not get a job and you have a lot of money provided by your parents, but you are stuck in some situation, drastic situation, where you have no money, the money has been gone, you are becoming bankrupt. And at that situation, if you have this knowledge which you have gained in this early age of 21 to 26, this is going to make you really get rid of all the stress that you are going to get at that moment. So following these 5 points can not only enhance your financial condition, but also it can promote how to live a prosperous life. By being prosperous, it doesn't mean you are academically prosperous, but being prosperous, it also means how the financial conditions and how much financial knowledge you have in this age group, that is while you are pursuing some studies. So that is why I believe financial knowledge is very much important, which is lagging in our country. And because of this, the people or the student who are in this age group are often becoming bankrupt and they are stuck in borrowing money. And this is becoming a habit. And as a result, it is doing nothing, but it is just making a lot of bankrupts, right? So I hope through this video, if you follow these 5 points, this is going to give you a cup of taste of what is financial knowledge and how we can avoid ourselves from being bankrupt. And also, what are the ways how we can earn money if you are a student? See, there are a lot of things. Even if you do some bad thing or illegal, you can earn money. But that is not the option that I'm talking about here. I'm talking about the things that needs your hard work, that needs your time, that needs your effort, which can bring money, right? So by being student, what are the ways that we can earn money? Of course, it's not making videos or making reels and just wasting your time of studying and earning money. But there are certain good ways how you can earn money, or you can say this is decent job that you can do as a part-time while you are studying student. So this is not for the people who are above the middle class line, but this is for the people who are economically weaker or who have the shortage of money, which is the middle class of our Indian society. So the ways where you can earn money while being a student is you can be following the number one, or this, or by following the three. So these are the three ways how you can earn money by being a student. As a part-time, you can do this, earn money, save money, and if you learn this skill, this is going to be a lifesaver for some worst scenarios which you won't want to be in your life. But let's say for 1% probability you are stuck in a situation where you have to collect money, and collecting money is the hardest job. You won't imagine. Earning money is the hardest job for the human, which you don't get this knowledge when you are stuck in this age 21 to 26. But once you cross this line of 26 years, you will understand how much hard it is to earn money. And if you are in a job, let's say for some reason you have no job, then this is going to be the only way. This skill is going to be the only way how you can get rid of that. So enhancing yourself to learn some skill how you can earn money in some dark scenarios is going to be a boon for yourself. So through this video we have learned what is financial knowledge, and this is very essential for this age group, and also by sharing this video with other people who are in this age group is going to do good. So I believe doing good is the only way. Do good for others, do good for yourself, and let us be good, be in the good direction or in the right path. So through this video, this is complete knowledge of financial knowledge. That's the end.